It's Prospector Steve here, and I am coming to you from Halifax. And just in the back here is the Citadel. It's a fortress built first in the 1750s. So I'm keeping up on, unfortunately, a travel schedule here. It's keeping me away from metal detecting. And what I'm going to show you here in this video is I'm going to take you on a tour of the Citadel that I did the other day. I have found a US time here. That's about it. There will be no wrap-up. But I do hope you enjoy this tour of the Citadel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Prospector Steve taking a tour of the Citadel in Halifax. This is what's called history. If I had a metal detector here, they allowed me to metal detect. I'm sure I'd find great stuff. Alright, we'll see you on the next. These metal detecting. Big cannonballs. That would be amazing. See ya on the next. So this is pretty cool. We are in the outer wall of the fort. Let's take you inside. It's pretty dark. Very cool. Are actually quite wet. Just coming up here to the corner. See a window there. And it continues around. See where this takes me. Very cool. Very cool indeed. inside the Citadel's outer wall. See ya on the next. So they've done a Normandy exhibit here at the Citadel. So we just took a walk of that. You saw I was in the inner wall, inside the outer wall. That's the outer wall. This is the inner wall. Citadel was never attacked. It was originally built in the 1750s. 4 fortresses built on this site. Now we're just going to head back in to the main area. And the inner courtyard. Heading around the munitions building. Some of the cannon. Being stored, I guess, out here. Just coming around the corner. Well, the munitions building is that way. Is there an entrance? There we go. You've got the gunpowder barrels. 100 pounds. Curtis and Harvey. 100 pounds of powder. You can imagine when one of these things exploded, certainly in the War of 1812, at Fort York, in Toronto, the magazine blew up in the face of the troops in the U.S. Army that were marching on the city of York. See ya on the next. This is always one of my favorite buildings here at the Citadel. It is the North Magazine. Brown, red brick. We'll just walk around this building too. I'm just going to take a quick walk around. Walked around the North Magazine. Pretty cool. There's the main building from the other side here. Alright, see ya on the next. So you're out metal detecting. These would be kind of cool things to find. looks into the area between the walls. I was once told that basically the walls of a fort are built like this, so that if you had an invading army, you would just kind of shoot, and then the shrapnel would bounce off the walls. So pretty cool. There we are. Let's see on the next. Hope you can get a great view of that. So that is the symbol of the crown on the cannon. Pretty cool. Just in another part here of the Citadel. Obviously lots of cannon here. Cool stuff. See ya on the next. These are my favorite things in a fort. Cannon. I'm now up top here at the Citadel. And we are looking out onto the ocean. That down below is the city of Halifax, the downtown core of Halifax. Really, really lovely part of Canada. Enjoy this place quite a bit. So if you are ever out in Halifax, highly recommend coming down to the Citadel. As part of your vacation or stay. Alright, Prospector Steve. We'll see you on the next. So we're just looking out at a different side of the Citadel. We're in behind the North Magazine on the second level, upper level of the fort. And that's part of Halifax below there. Beautiful, beautiful view. See ya.